A green precipitate is formed. This shows the presence of ferrous ions. Iron 2 is called ferrous, so ferrous ions. The precipitate is iron 2 hydroxide or ferrous hydroxide. Notice in the figure, this is the green precipitate, so we have the green precipitate of ferrous hydroxide. The ionic equation for this reaction is ferrous plus hydroxide reacts to give ferrous hydroxide solid, which is the precipitate. Ferrous sulfate solution reacts with sodium hydroxide solution. This ionic equation is formed because iron sulfate and sodium hydroxide reacted together. So let's see the full equation. Ferrous sulfate plus sodium hydroxide reacts to give ferrous hydroxide plus sodium sulfate. Ferrous hydroxide is the precipitate that we want, the green precipitate. These two equations must be studied very well. So they show the reaction between iron sulfate and sodium hydroxide, which gave ferrous hydroxide precipitate having a green color.